What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy. And yes guys, it has hit another green candlestick and it is still on its way up. So as you guys can see, it has pumped up over 6% in the last 24 hours, majority of it coming from earlier on this afternoon and right now as well, and it's currently valued at over 4 cents. So what is next? When is the 5 cents target coming? Will it be potentially over the weekend, early next week, or will it be later on in June? That's what we'll be covering, and also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction as usual, and covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and as you guys can clearly see the Fibonacci scale, Jasmy is as usual at its top tier level guys, near about hitting a new all-time high. So yes, there's nothing to discuss about that, as it has been trading in the top tier level over the past week. Let's bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at just under 3 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 4 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, this also may mean that the crypto is slightly overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a price correction due to the major difference between the two values here. However, for Jasmy is an exception. Reason being is it's gone through a slow and steady increase in value. It's not like it's done 150% increase in a single day. It's been a slow and steady increase over time, so this is much more reliable and sustainable project. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So around afternoon time, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading up to about 0.042 to 0.043 cents in value is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by midday to afternoon time. So if it does manage to hit 0.043, that also means it has hit a new all-time high, but that will be very common over the next couple of days and weeks for Jasmy, as it is currently all the way up there. So moving on to the hourly chart over the next few days, what can we see here? So towards the end of next week, again we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they're not looking too steep either, so this is quite realistic. By the end of next week, I am expecting it to head closer to the 5 cents target, not necessarily hitting it, but getting very close guys. Even though it is likely to hit the odd red day in between, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. So more green days are on the way for Jasmy and the crypto market in general. As you guys can see, Bitcoin did pump up near about $72,000 earlier this morning. It has taken a little bit of a dip, but I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading upwards closer to $75,000, and I'm expecting majority of the cryptocurrencies to be following a similar pattern. So Jasmy getting close to 5 cents in value is what my expectations are, by mid-June. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks. Now this is where it gets a little bit skeptical, because the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, very bullish indeed. They are looking too steep to be realistic guys. Whenever a MACD indicator looks this steep, that means it's not realistic. either going in a bullish or bearish direction, and in this case it is going in a bullish direction. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid-August 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone through an overall increase in value, potentially getting closer to around 7 cents, 8 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid-August, and potentially getting closer to the 10 cents target by Q4 of 2024 is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if there are any changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. And Jasmy is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis anyway, so if you guys want to stay in the loop on this crypto and if for any major changes, make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring back the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I'm expecting it to head up closer to the 5 cents target over the coming week or two, so of course hitting a new all-time high. And no, I am not expecting it to drop down or crash down into the blue zone anytime soon. However, if there are such updates or predictions, I will let you guys know. So let's head back into the CoinMarketCap website here. Over the last 24 hours, the crypto has been quite of a wavy one, but overall it has been on the positive side, and it has also gained 13% in trading, which is just over $266 million. Over the week, 33%, and over the month, a massive 113%, guys. And to be fair, the crypto has gone through such a slow and steady increase that it looks so sustainable, and it's not one of the projects where it's done a huge increase in value in a short amount of time. But yes, a month for 113%, especially with Jasmy, is quite reasonable, and I'm expecting it to grow further over the coming months and for the rest of the year as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Heading just over the 10 cents value is what I'm expecting from this crypto for the rest of the year. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Jasmy to go in 2024, as I've seen a lot of comments online. I've even seen the dollar mark, which I highly doubt, as that is very unlikely we'll do that this year, because it will require a major percentage increase, which will then make the crypto not sustainable and not realistic as well. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.